What's up guys, it's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair. Here with another good old fender smash. It seems like I've been on this fender roll lately. Pretty good size, a little bigger than a duck pin bowling ball. It's got a little protrusion here. Looks like it's where the back of the headlight meets. So what my game plan here is, I'm actually gonna use some cold glue in the center, try to get the bulk of it up, knock the crowns down, the brow. It's got a little brow below the body line here, and tool the rest of it. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I did my first original pull here with the cold glue, pulled the bulk of it out. Still have a lot of crowning, certainly the crown down here that's really come out here, and the high spot from the headlight. So my game plan here now is get the crowning knocked down. I may physically glue pull, regular hot glue pull, some of these spots to try to get them up to move as much metal as we can. But here's the basic example of cold glue with one pull, how much time it saved me, how much it reduced that dent. So let's see what we get. Alright guys, finishing with this beetle fender repair. Took me a little longer than expected. Had some trouble behind the headlight assembly. Was having trouble getting a tool to it. I really didn't want to have to take the vehicle completely apart to do the repair. But it seemed to turn out really good. Customer's gonna be ecstatic with it, with the size of the damage. He was adamant on not painting the vehicle. So, appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, check you on the next one. See ya.